Welcome to the Percussa SSP program analysis, sound, space odyssey, sci-fi effects event.
We hope you enjoy the show. Fasten your seatbelts. Have a journey.
As our anti-test, go through the parameters and see if I can
Welcome to another episode of Patching for Noise. Well, guys, it was a long road. It finally happened. The Percussa SSP. It's a very big module. Pretty expensive, too. Had to do a lot of trading and selling and, to get this particular item. It's very rewarding, though. It does a lot, I must say. A lot of the things that it does, I may never use. For example, I don't use a computer with a DAW like Ableton Live. I don't use that at all. I don't really use a lot of MIDI and 16 channels and stuff like that. I'm just using basic effects. I'm taking advantage of the WTO, the inputs, so I can run my ornament and crime and trigger the sampler. I got multiple samples going right now. 1, 2, 3. And I got just random drum loops going. Nothing special. So it's pretty nice. The quality is superb, I must say. I mean, I really like the quality of the sound. The build quality is very good. The knobs, the switches. I mean, this is state-of-the-art module. I mean, they did a really good job, creating something like this for the Eurorack community. It's not that difficult to go through the menus. Once you get the hang of it, you just got to connect ins and outs and ins and gates and pitches and stuff like that. It's not too bad. All right, anyways, that ends this session of Patching for Noise. We'll see you guys next week, and you guys take care.